In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture and manage leads with Google Forms. This process can be a game changer for anyone looking to streamline lead management and enhance their business's efficiency. Google Forms is not just a simple survey tool. It's a powerful resource for collecting valuable customer information. Let's dive in to see how you can harness its full potential. First, we'll start by heading over to Google Forms. You'll want to open your web browser and go to forms.google.com. Once you've signed in with your Google account, you'll see a list of forms you might have already created. If it's your first time here, it may look a bit empty, but that's what we're here to change. Let's click on the plus sign or the button that says blank to create a new form. This will open up a blank canvas where all the magic happens. Now, let's give your form a title. Click where it says Untitled Form and type in a name that reflects the purpose of your form. For example, customer information capture could be a straightforward choice. Providing a description can further clarify what the form is for, enhancing the user experience for those filling it out. Simply click on Form Description and add any relevant details. Next, it's time to start adding questions. Click on the first untitled question to edit it. Here, you can select the type of answer you want to capture, such as a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, or even a drop-down. For capturing basic lead information, I recommend starting with a short answer type. Typical questions might include name, email address, and phone number. Feel free to add any additional fields that are pertinent to your business needs. As you populate your form with questions, take advantage of the required toggle, ensuring that respondents don't skip crucial responses. This feature is perfect for fields that are essential, such as contact details. Simply click on the toggle at the bottom right of your question box to enable it. Once your form is all set up, let's look at how to manage the responses. Click on the Responses tab at the top of your form. Here, you can choose where your responses will be collected. Google Sheets is a fantastic option for organizing and tracking your data. Simply click on the green Sheets icon to link responses directly to a spreadsheet, or you can create a new one if this is your first form. Before you go live with your form, it's a good idea to preview it by clicking the eye icon at the top right of your screen. This way, you can experience the form just as your respondents will and make sure everything flows smoothly. Finally, share your form by clicking the Send button at the top of the page. You can send it via email, generate a link, or even embed it on a website. And there you have it, a fully functional Google form ready to capture and manage your business leads seamlessly. Happy form creating!